Hey guys, today we're going to talk about describing data. This is going to be on page 11, and we're going to be talking about what our graphs look like. So first of all, the shape of the data tells us how the data is distributed. The center of the data is going to give us the middle of the data set, and that can be the mean or the median. The spread of the data is going to tell us how close together or how spread out the data set is. Sometimes we use range, IQR, MAD, or standard deviation. So it's going to tell us how far away all the data points are from the mean or the median. And then finally, the peak is going to be where the data is higher than the other parts of the data set. So we can actually name the type of graph by how many peaks they have. One peak is called unimodal, unimodal. Unimodal. Two peaks is bimodal, bimo. Let me try that again. Oh, that's going to be a little too much. All right, let's try this. Bimodal. All right, multiple peaks is multimodal. And then no peaks, we talked about this before. This is called uniform, where they're all the same all the way across. Okay, so those are the different types that you can have. And those are the vocabulary words going with them. We're not going to use those terms very often, but you'll at least kind of know what they mean. The prefix, remember, tells us how many peaks there are. All right, so let's look at an example. How would you describe this set of data? Okay, I would say that this is symmetrical. Because it looks like this is the center, and it's pretty much even on both sides. How many peaks does it have? It only has one, which would make that unimodal. And then estimate the center or the mean. Well, this looks like this is the center right here. So I would say either between 15 and 19, or you could just say 17, something like that. And then the spread of the data, I would just say it's spread out. We're not going to worry about the spread too much other than what we calculate with the range. So you could say, there's 34 miles between the whole set of data. All right, so let's look at this. So we can characterize this by how these are shaped. And how they're shaped, this is what you're going to hear quite a bit of. So you'll hear symmetric a lot, where it has kind of the center. Skewed right means it tails down to the right. Okay, so it goes this way. Skewed left means it tails down to the left. So you want to look at how far, which way you're sliding. That's going to tell you what you call it. Okay. Then you can also look at these in the middle, or your box plots, right? The symmetric one is where the median is right in the middle. Skewed right means you have a big section on the right, and skewed left means you have a big section on the left. And that's how you would tell those. All right, so let's look at a couple examples real quick. So what is the shape for the cat owner? So the cat owner, you see how it slopes down, and it slopes down to the left. So we're going to say that's skewed left. All right, the shape of the dog owner looks like it has a pretty even center. So we're going to call that symmetric. All right, how did the spread of the two data sets compare? Well, this is about the same as this. They go 8 in both directions. So we're going to just say they're about the same. And then how do their peaks compare? So they both have 1, right? So we'd say they both have 1. Which means they're both unimodal. And that's it. So those are your notes. If you have any questions, let us know. I think you got some practice to do on page 12.